Your brain is stuck in a cycle of endless input: podcast, newsletter, feed, AI summary. There's zero room left for the flow. You feel productive watching others, while your own projects are barely making any progress. Intellectual fasting is the only way to sever this constant noise. Restrict your inputs today so you can finally start producing at an elite level. Let's say this clearly. Most modern learning is sophisticated procrastination. You scroll insights, you save frameworks, you consume other people's conclusions. It feels ambitious, but it's passive. You see, algorithms only reward attention, not originality. And when your brain constantly absorbs finished thoughts, it stops tolerating unfinished ones. Original thinking feels slower, uncomfortable, uncertain. So you escape back to input. Over time, you become informed, but not formidable. You know more, but you produce less. So what is intellectual fasting? Intellectual fasting means deliberately restricting flow of new information. Not permanently, strategically. No new podcast, no YouTube education, no research spiral. Just silence. At first, it feels inefficient. Then it feels uncomfortable. That discomfort is not boredom. It's actually withdrawal from novelty. Your brain expects constant stimulation. Remove it and it panics. But if you stay, your mind starts finishing abundant thoughts. Old ideas reconnect, loose concepts tighten, and patterns emerge. So when input decreases, integration increases. And integration is where originality lives. There's a neurological reason for this. When external stimulation drops, your default mood network activates. This system integrates memory, connect distant ideas, and generate new insights. But it works in stillness. Constant stimulation suppresses it. If you are always consuming, you are rarely synthesizing. That's why your best ideas don't appear while scrolling. They appear in the shower, on a walk, in quiet. And intellectual fasting makes that state intentional rather than accidental. Finally, the goal is not ignorance, it's leverage. Low input, high output. Here's the rule. Output must exceed input. If you consume 1 hour, produce 2. Write before researching. Think before AI prompting. And build before browsing. Second, schedule friction. No phone, no stimulus, just one problem. Stay long enough for discomfort to become clarity. That tension is not resistance. It's cognitive strengthening. After 24 to 48 hours of reduced input, enter deep work immediately. Your thinking will feel consolidated, quiet, sharp, to the point, focused. That's intellectual control returning. Here's one shift most people avoid. Information makes you feel intelligent. Silence makes you become intelligent. Most people are today intellectually full, but creatively dependent. They outsource their thinking to influencers, feed, algorithms. If your input always exceeds your output, You don't develop thinking, you develop dependency. And dependency cannot build authority. Authority is built in isolation. Try a 48 hours intellectual fast. No new input, only processing and creation, and measure the difference. In a world addicted to information, independent thought is a leverage, and leverage compounds. Stay here.